Jenner here. It's day 194 since Wildfire was declared, and 63 days since the disease abruptly went global. There's no clinical progress to report. Item, I finally got the scrubbers in the East Sector shut down to save power. Wish I could have done it a month ago, but it took me that long to figure it out. Too bad I never studied engineering. Could have saved a lot of amps. Item. Still not sleeping well. Can't seem to keep regular hours. Living on the ground doesn't help. Not knowing if it's day or night. I'm just feeling very off kilter these days.
Alert status. Air qualifiers indicate corrosive fumes. All personnel must clear the room. Corrosive element is deemed poisonous if inhaled. All personnel clear. Full decontamination in effect. Full decontamination complete.
The TS-19 samples are gone. The tragedy of their loss cannot be overstated. They were our freshest samples by far. None of the other samples we gathered even came close. Those are necrotic, useless, dead flesh. I don't even know why I'm talking to you. I bet there isn't a single son of a bitch out there still listening, is there? Is there? Fine. It saves me the embarrassment. I think tomorrow I'm gonna blow my brains out. I haven't decided. But tonight, I'm getting drunk. Speaking of which, how far do you think I can chuck this, huh? Pretty far, I bet. Oh! It is out of the stadium!